you want to take this long piece here, and the long piece you're going to notice has a little bit of a cut and an angle in the back here. That's going to go in the back of the console, and the side pieces are all a match set, so they can go in any one of these three positions. So it's an interlocking system. You just slide them together like that, push down on it, do the same thing on the next one, push down on it, put the third one in. Now you've got a solid set. Just take it and again put this back piece to the back of the console and drop it in. Give it a push down, and now it's in. It's locked tight front and back and side to side, and at that point you can go ahead and load it up. The center divider you can also leave out if you need more space in that center area for bigger items.